It is an elective, but I'm still failing. Because people think that elective, I'll just show up and pass. No, I'm failing you. Oh yeah. Oh, you try won't fail you, but some people don't try. Some people come in and go to sleep. Just cut. Don't come to class. You don't want to do the work, you don't cut. Right? Get 56. That's better. At least you know you didn't come to class and waste time. Why waste time and come to 52? Don't waste time. Because look at what I'm doing. I'm doing easy stuff. I'm not even giving you a lot of work. I'm going over the same problems I gave you yesterday. And if you pay attention, you might actually learn something. People who don't pay attention won't learn nothing. And it's like, oh man, I don't know this. You don't know this because you didn't pay attention. And all I did was just put numbers in the calculator. That's all I did. Couple of symbols. If you guys follow me, I give you a test next week, you do the same thing, you get the answer. Okay? And I apologize for people who aren't paying attention. I'm sorry. That you have to hear this. The phone is right? Everything? That's all? Okay. Thank you, gentlemen. Dude, look at this. Look at this. Don't worry about it. That's why I stay up here. I knew you guys were coming. Just when I clean one. So, what's the answer?